Hello fellow surfers, welcome to Flavour Tasters, the food and beverage review channel and all things related to food, beverage, health and yada yada yada. You get the whole point. Now, this is what it looks like. The pie, it's a little bit whiter because of the light, but it's relatively like a greyish form, hints of yellow in a lightish white to it, and it burst. As you can see on the top, it's still a bit dewy, been in for the actual amount of time, 30 minutes, and yeah, these pies always tend to burst at the bottom when you cook them, but so there's your thumbnail. Anyway, so I'm going to have some of the pie first. I'm going to try and make this relatively quick. Now the breading's crumbling, the pastry is crumbling. Okay. Not much filling, by the way, but bread and the pastry actually quite nice. Has a nice snap to it. The pastry has a buttery sweetness to it. So that's good, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of filling inside it to actually get something from it. So, like the mince, or not the mince, the chicken, the cream, the gravy. So I'm going to try and get some sauce. Okay, so the breading seems to be overpowering to the sauce. The sauce is creamy a bit, but they're not really big pies. Of course, yeah, the breading's nice, pastry's nice, but I'm going to get some of the insides now. So we don't get any of the pastry. Watery gravy. A little bit of creaminess, chicken flavour, and it obviously has some carrots and peas in there. But there's not much filling in at all. Like, you know what I mean, there's not much there. It tastes alright, but because there's not much in the actual pie, the pastry is very nice tasting. If we went just off the pastry itself, it would be probably a 7. Maybe I'd push it at 8. But the actual pie itself, I've got to give it a snake. There's not much in it, and you would expect to be getting something inside the pie, and it feels like there's nothing in there. So for me personally, I'm sorry, but it's going to be a 5. Simple. If you agree, tell me in the comment section below. If you disagree, tell me why. If you've done a review on this, let me know. If you've got a YouTube channel, or if you just would like to see in a comment a review, and tell me. Come join the Discord. The link is in the description, and you can leave a link to your video if you have YouTube where you review it. With that said, subscribe, hit the notification bell, select all notifications, strike the like, share the content, and all the good stuff. Leave your views and opinions down in the comment section below. And yeah, 5, and I think that's probably being decent. 5 out of 10. Nothing really of substance. But if this is the right price, I mean, I guess you could test it out. But I'm positive I paid a little bit more on this. But hey, it is what it is. Check it out for yourself. Tell me what you think, if you can get it as cheap as this. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.